Well, hello folks, and welcome to another episode of Hold Fast Garage featuring the Great White Beast. That's right, folks, we made it. 2 days of driving, up mountains, down mountains, through valleys. We're here, we're ready to go. I have my candy throwing crew. Wave, everybody. And we're a couple minutes away from getting this thing started. So, sit back and enjoy. Okay.
Hi guys! You guys look great! Woo!
All right, folks, well, there you have it. The parade was a success. We made it here in one piece. We made it through the parade in one piece. Made some new friends. People got to see the old girl back in her former glory. Some of Dad's old classmates. We're definitely sharing some memories. This is, you know, that's why you do this kind of stuff, right? It's for the community. So, we're going to close out this episode here. Probably a short one. But make sure that you keep coming back to the channel. There's a lot more work to be done. I'm going to start going to car shows now that she's actually, you know, can get around on her own power. We're going to start going to some events and doing some stuff, meeting some people, getting out in the community. So, if you are enjoying as much as I am, I mean, this was stressful, but I've had a lot of fun. So if you're enjoying this half as much as I am, then make sure you do all those things, like and subscribe, and share an episode with a friend, and comment. The algorithm loves a comment. Tell your friends, tell your enemies, and we will see you in another episode. Thanks for watching.